Good evening. To have an overlook for space exploration, I'm going to analyze the pros and cons at the same time. For some pros, I can say that uh, the best inventions came from for space exploration because were made for astronauts, and then we use it in our normal life. For example, the bikers for the babies, uh, GPS, and a lot of medical technologies to make research for unknown diseases. That is the pros for space exploration. All this kind of invention are very useful nowadays. But in the other hand, also see some cons. Um, like a lot of people say that space exploration is a waste of money because we have a lot of concerns in our world, like famine, high percents of poverty in different countries, a lot of people with a lot of lacks in education. So all the money who we spending in space exploration, we can put in this concern, these needs, so we can make a world a better place for live. Um, so instead prove that exists life in Mars, we can make the research here in our oceans because the 95% of our ocean is still unknown, and we can have a lot of kind of information very useful from that if we made that kind of research, and we are concerning to go out to the space to do another kind of research when we don't have made a full research here, in our world. So finally, if am I in favor or against space exploration, to be honest, I can say that I'm 50-50 because all the inventions uh, uh, are very useful and we use every day and have a lot of purpose, um, and are very useful. But I think we have to put some restrictions or some limits to try to not spend a lot of money in this kind of uh, explorations, and try to be equal and share the budget in equal way to make to spend in space exploration and the concern we need here in our world. So humankind also can be a better place to live. Thank you.